Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Teacher Fatihah. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the way that we can do to introduce the concept of consonant plus vowel plus consonant words family to our children. So in this video, I'm going to focus on the vowel O. So let's get started. So how to do this activity? Firstly, we introduce the concept of consonant plus vowel plus consonant to our children. So consonant is alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U. So it can be D, for example, D. So vowel today, we're gonna focus on vowel O. So vowel is alphabets for A, E, I, O, U. So O is for our vowel. So D, O. So we can do G for another consonant. So this is consonant plus vowel plus consonant concept. Words concept. So D, O, G, D, O, G. Dog, dog. So this is dog. Second step is we prepare a list of words that we can learn to introduce this concept of consonant plus vowel plus consonant words to our children. And lastly, don't forget to reward them once they successfully learn the new word. So let's continue with the activity. Hi friends! So right now in this video, we're gonna learn a new words based on the concept of consonant plus vowel plus consonant word. So here we have the template of the concept. So first word is rod. Rod. So R for our consonant, O for our vowel, and D for our consonant. So it becomes R, O, D. Rod. Nice one. So here you go. You learn a new word. So here is your rewards. Next one. Another word can be top. Top. So top. T is for our consonant, O for our vowel, and P for our consonant. So T, O, P. Top. Nice one. You learn a new word. So here you go. Your rewards. Okay, next one we have hot. 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 H, O, T. Hot. Nice one. Another word you can learn. Here you go.